should there be legislation against abandoning pets? So if I might remember, my name is Shi and her name is Lan. His name is Six. Yeah. Before we start our topic, I want to ask. I guess everyone will have some experiences about feeding pets, especially like my friend Hart. I know he has a golden, it's very cute. So I think it's related to everyone's life. Before we start, I want to share a real life case. It's about the news of a dog. And this dog named Duke, and he was 14 years old. And one day he was found by a person. This person just called an officer that there one stray dog around his horse. And the officer came to the president, and then there will be some weird action because the dog look like this dog know the collar for a long time, and just so weird because give a sign about loyalty and just walk around trying to get in the collar's horse. And then the officer takes some measures like scan microchips in this dog's neck and just for the information. Actually, the collar is the owner of this dog. But why he have to do this? Because the owner wants to abandon this dog because he doesn't want to feed this dog anymore, and he doesn't want to take any responsibility. When Duke reformed, he was in very terrible health situation because he lack a lot of nutrition, like he's dying, something like that. I want to share this case because we can see two different points. One is the maybe abandonment is quite common in our daily life, and the other is because of, you can say that after a microchip scan, because if there will be microchip scan in every pet neck, we will find the information of the owner. So maybe it will reduce the happening of the abandonment. So our introduction, our topic introduction is about why we have to choose this topic, because every year a million of pets are abandoned by their owners, and some of them may live in probably just trying to survive on the street, or live in very dangerous shelter, lack of food, without clean water, even though without any medical care. And because of this, they may be the victim of abuse by human or die from the traffic accident. So this is why we chose the topic. And secondly, is because they are faced to street animals always also bring a lot of issues to our communities, because like dogs, if there are a lot of stray dogs, when they get together, they may attract humans, and there are some dogs and animals and street pets, they may carry a lot of disease, viruses or bacteria may affect our life, our human. Like the last one is, even though there are a lot of animals welfare in different countries, but I think there are still very nice countries have the laws against the abandonment. So this our case. There should be legislation. That's our statement. So totally, we just want to say there should be a legislation against abandonment, because it can prevent animals from suffering and help pets owners accompaniment and control the stray animal population. And these are three different parts from our topic presentation. The first part is because laws can prevent animals from suffering. Like there are research from 2021 shows that a lot of pets face maybe they will starve to death. They don't have food. Maybe they will also like what I said before, abused by human, hit by the car, something like that. And because of this, there are circulation, because of this dog was abandoned and they are lack of security, so they will have some behavior issues. They will be aggressive, and they may attack human, and they have a lot of healthy problems. And this, they are all will be the elements to reduce the possibility for them to be adults in the future. So this is a circulation because they have problems and they will abandon, and then they will be very terrible, attractive, aggressive. Aggressive, and no one wants to adapt them. And they also have faced to American humane society reports that they are more likely to be abused by humans because they are homeless, and they are may lead to many traffic accidents. So in addition, if there are some laws can prevent them from suffering, I think they will be better. And the second part, my grandmother will present.
Legislation can make by owner take responsibility more separately in Thailand for equation and animal cruelty prevention act clearly define what is considered dispute in Nikolai of cruelty. Legal duty by Nikolai betterment and more probably awareness and action from Tana Major Magni to 2022 P784 P786 P788 controlling stray animal population import properly safety and household stray animal disease a better face in really Japanese system. Laws provision through sterilization and vaccination. Next.
That is updated from the Dog Trust from 2009 and to the 2018 years. You can see that before the 2015, there are a lot of stray dogs, and there are number of family dogs because they are mostly because they are get a lot of the stray animals, and if nobody will adopt them, they will just gently kill them, like something like that. And after 2015, they have a laws. It's about the have more than 15 from 126,000. Just drop 15 to that's something around 15,000. It's workable. We have a great effect in controlling the number of street animals from the 2009 and 2018 years.
Can the recruitment report opposing use you go in law are too costly and have to in capital. Report doing not even have serious probably how the author today animals severely this is like rugby and leptospirosis. Is had true at the time new disease case in 30 countries. Yes.
Okay. Next, just say in cancer the government is wrong is not enough. We need education role solution. Firstly, Australian laws clearly define urban demons in her area and then like one or pen on a shared fence and make pen registration and microchipping mandatory for tracking. Secondly, for price education, many abandoned pens due to lack of technology, school, social media, and campus show teaching transfer pens, ownership, and promote adoption over writing for discussions. Lastly, foster collaboration, governments, and governments, NGO, and social team up to offer low cost neutering vaccination and pens rules for reducing stress and building a caring society. In summary, last safeguard education, equippers, and community efforts drive change. We are shared response public.
Okay, thank you for listening.